Start dropshipping business on TikTok with $0 in your pocket with extremely lazy or easy method to generate money like this. But first, you watch this video.
My face. Get over here.
Apparently, that was a personal matter.
This bridge is gonna collapse. We are not getting home. This bridge is gonna collapse. Holy! I missed it by a half second. Oh my! Holy!
Someone appears to be messing with. That guy who never gets asked to parties but still shows up. They are unaware that they are soon to see a neon show.
Holy shit!
If you haven't already, feed your pet. Pay extra.
Yeah, Michael. I have a problem. Yes. Yes.
Poodles are not only very smart but also free-spirited dogs.
Go! Push! 2 steps! Step! Kick!
Highway etiquette will exist for just as long as great guys like these.
That's actually a good point. I would assume there'd be a lot down there.
Well, we got scuba teams that come get them.
Yeah, I myself have donated several balls.
Go to TikTok and search Made Me Buy or Amazon Find and scroll for product videos. Once you find the video with a bunch of engagement, copy the name of the product and paste it into TikTok search. Get different product videos. Now copy the link of the video. Go to a website called Synaptic. Paste the link here. Now download the video without TikTok watermark. Then use video editing software to make your own product video. Now go to Shopify and start your free trial. Build the store around the product you chose. Now go back to TikTok and upload the video that you made, but watching this video. Go and start your dropshipping business and keep hustling. Best of luck. Do subscribe, like, and comment.